Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 2 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. File Setup. Open the file, save it with the updated name, and ensure your name is in cell B6. Step 2. Formatting headings and theme. Change the theme to Office. Merge and center A1, H1 and A2, H2, apply heading 1 style to A1, H1. Step 3. Formatting dates and table headings. Change A4, B5 background color to gray, accent 3, lighter 80%. Bold A4, A5, format B4, B5 as mm/dd/yy. Italicize A7, H8, center text, and apply the required orange accent colors. Merge and center headings, A7, A8, E7, E8, B7, D7, F7, H7. Step 4. Table data and conditional formatting. Apply white background to A10, H10 and A12, H12. Format F9, H12 as percentage, 0 decimals. Highlight G9, G12, values less than 6%, in light red fill with dark red text. Step 5. Final touches and print setup. Rotate A17, A23 text, set indent to 2. Replace ins with insurance. Insert a page break at row 14, set narrow margins, and add print titles, rows 1 to 2. Add a footer, left, page number, center, sheet name. Step 6. Save and submit the file as per instructions. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website xlsx.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.